is the kurawai. It's worn in your dancing Maori dances. I don't exactly know about it. It's very cultural. It's made out of feathers of birds. Now we're going to see the real birds. I'm so excited. This is part 2 in the video of the Pūkaha National Wildlife Centre. In this video, we'll be looking at birds and eels, especially eels. From the Pūkaha National Wildlife Centre, they made a kids activity that you have to have a file, and in the file you write down 5 different birds that you spot. And they also gave us a little leaflet that we find out which bird is which. My sister has the leaflet while my friend has the file. And also, let's see if you can spot the birds with us. Let's see. This forest has all these birds, and we have to find 5 and list them down. We found the first one. He's a takahe. You can see him on those fields over there. We just saw Tieke, the saddleback. Oh, he eats berries and he has that little pouch. This aviary is home to our new pair of Tieke, a member of the wattlebird family. This distinctive looking bird sports a bright red pair of wings and a chestnut-coloured saddle, giving it the English name of the saddleback bird. There's only 2 in this cage. There's a kaka there, he flew away. We're going to see the kaka. They give you like a board. If you get a board, kaka is in number 3 or something. I don't know. I think. He's eating. He has like a white belly, a white underside, like a maroon white mix. He's eating or drinking something. He's drinking water. He's really up close, but he won't come closer than that. This is the yellow-crowned kakariki. We can't exactly find him, but we can hear him. I don't know where he is. We're really searching for him. He's like a little... No, that's a different bird. That's kaka, bush parrot. There's another kaka also. Look, he's up there. Oh, look, there's another one. The other one has even redder bottom. This is a kiwi enclosure, but I don't think we'll be able to spot any kiwi here. It's gonna be really hard because it's really big. The enclosure is really big.
This is a free-flying aviary win. You can see all the netting. We're here to see all sorts of birds like tui, konimako, and so on. It's a free aviary, but they can't get out of here. They can interact with humans and all sorts of stuff. Like right here. There's a rifleman. There's 2 riflemen inside that tree. I can hear them calling and I can also see them. I also just saw one fly by.
Let's go.
It's a tui. It's a tui. Wow. That is. We can see it down that bush right there. Nice. Still jumping. Telling us something. Singing a song. Again. Pretty noisy.
This bird is really common. It's seen everywhere in New Zealand, mostly in backyards.
We only saw the korimako, the tui and the rifleman. We didn't see this dude right here, who's the red-crowned parakeet.
This is a bird feeder for birds. Oh, I can't reach it. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum. I'm a bird. This is a place where we meet birds. They come and gather here so we can meet them. Well, we came a bit early so we could see the birds come. My brother wanted to see the birds coming. Look, there is a kaka up there. It's like all open. I think the kaka's allowed to go out and in. Oh, they're so lucky. Like the kaka's allowed to go outside and then come back in. I think, are we allowed to? No, we're not allowed to go inside. I wish we were, because then I'll be able to like touch the kaka. Oh, there's another one. Where are they living? They were living somewhere. There's two kakas. The picture. That's the one we were searching for. That's the kakariki. We were searching for it. It was like it has come out of the cage. It has come out of the cage. The kakariki, it's so small you can't even see it properly. There's 4 kakas now. More coming to feed or eat. 5. Where?
One down the woods. We can't see it.
There's 1 down there and 4 down here. They're eating. I mean, they're coming to eat. Oh, something. I don't know if we're allowed to go inside. We found a copy of an atua. You won't.
Tawhiri Mata is the god of wind, clouds, and sometimes storms.
There's a story that I learnt at school. It's that long ago, Earth and the sky were connected, and in them there were children, and they were called atua. Some atua teamed together to push the sky and the earth apart. And that's how they created the world, and there's so many atua and so many names for them too. Just now we saw one of the gods, and his name is Tawhiri Mata. He's the wind god. He's the one who creates storms, the breeze, and sometimes clouds, as my brother said. Now we're going to be seeing eels, and also, by the way, we found a gigantic metal weta. He looks really hideous. Here she's going to feed the eels some food. I'm so excited to watch.
Don't you do this one? Every time you read up about them. So they don't normally hang out in a big group. They would normally feed at night. You'd see them more at night. They can normally be on the shadows around the side, but they know they can feel your vibrations on the bridge, so they know that's a good signal that there's going to be some food that turns up.
Here they're feeding eels duck food because that's the only leftover food they can find. The eels are like fighting and going over the people, other eels, to find their food. They really like the food. I think they must be really hungry because they eat whatever falls into the river that they think they can eat. There's a really big eel in the water too. He always gets all the food. Sometimes. Eels are really common, and mostly we find them in canals. Normally they travel here and there. The eels look so creepy, like they're huddling around. They're squishing on top of each other together, like piling on top of each other. And I can hear like sushi noises.
Little creases down the side of it. Evidently only the longfin get those big creases down the side. One way you can tell them different.
Wow, there's really long here also.
We have 3 species of eel: the longfin, the Australasian shortfin, and occasionally the speckled longfin. Right here in this picture are 3 female longfins who only live in New Zealand. This is the way they go to breed and then come back towards New Zealand to stay in there until they're mature. This is the longfin eel, colored in yellow. They come down here, the larvae come down here back to New Zealand, and then they go back up to Fiji. The Australasian shortfin, it breeds in Australia, it stays to mature in Australia, it comes around New Zealand and breeds somewhere along Vanuatu. We also have this map right here of where we currently are. They come here through Manawatu, they come here through Mangahau, and also through Mokaahi, which all lead to this small part. Also, the eels are quite, always hungry, and they make a wonderful journey, so I expect them to be that hungry. This is Haumia Tikitiki, the god of uncultivated food.
Today we got to see animals we've never seen before, like the kiwi. Today we saw lots of beautiful birds like korimako, tui, kaka, and rifleman. We spent almost 4 hours watching these amazing birds and it was so much fun. But now our walk is finished and we're going back home. I hope you enjoyed our adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Bye! See you next time on Lisi's Diary.